Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Hobnob app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Hobnob is a digital invitation and event management app designed to help users create, customize, and send beautiful event invites via text, email, or social media. It's widely used for birthdays, parties, weddings, business events, and casual get-togethers. The app offers a variety of professionally designed templates, RSVP tracking, automated reminders, and group messaging to keep guests updated. Hobnob also integrates with calendars, making it easy for invitees to save event details instantly. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users love Hobnob's clean design, easy-to-use interface, and the speed with which they can create and send invitations. The ability to communicate with all guests in one place is a huge plus, and the RSVP tracking ensures hosts stay organized. Automated reminders also help reduce no-shows. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users feel that the free version is quite limited, with premium features like custom branding, certain templates, and advanced RSVP options locked behind a subscription. Occasional glitches in message delivery or delayed notifications have also been reported. Additionally, guests unfamiliar with the app may need a brief learning curve when responding to invites. In summary, the Hobnob app may be worth using if you want a fast, attractive, and organized way to manage invitations and RSVPs, especially for social or business events. However, if you require extensive customization, want completely free event management, or need highly advanced planning tools, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.